Before you decide to buy Trello, here are 12 key things you need to know. While it's one of the most popular tools for productivity and time management, there are several factors to consider before committing, especially when compared to other tools on the market like Asana or Monday.com. Let's dive into them. The first thing to understand is that Trello is visually simple. It uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks, which makes it incredibly easy to set up and start using. But while the interface is intuitive, it may lack some of the more advanced features you'd find in tools like Asana or ClickUp. If you need more customization, Trello might feel a little too basic. Next, Trello is extremely flexible. You can use it for a variety of purposes, from personal task management to team collaboration. But that flexibility can be a double-edged sword. The platform doesn't offer as much structure or predefined templates as tools like Monday.com, which means it requires more manual setup if you want to scale your projects efficiently. The third thing to consider is Trello's integrations. It supports a wide range of apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Dropbox, which is great for teams already using those tools. However, if your workflow involves niche tools or you need more advanced automation, Trello may not be as robust as competitors with more built-in integrations, such as Asana or ClickUp. The fourth thing is Trello's mobile app. It's easy to use, but it doesn't offer the same level of functionality as the desktop version. While other apps like ClickUp provide a more seamless experience across devices, Trello's mobile version can feel limited when managing large projects. The fifth point is pricing. Trello is free to use for basic features, but if you want access to premium features like automation, advanced checklists, or more integrations, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. And even with the paid plan, it's not as feature-packed as other productivity tools like Asana, which offers more comprehensive options for project management at a similar price point. Next, Trello has great simplicity and task organization. It's great for straightforward task management, but lacks advanced project tracking features such as timeline views, workload management, or detailed reporting, which are standard in tools like Monday.com or ClickUp. If you need those extra features for complex project management, you might find Trello a little limiting. The seventh thing is that Trello excels in team collaboration. You can assign tasks, add due dates, and leave comments, making communication within your team easy. But if you need detailed permission control or more robust role management, Trello doesn't offer as much flexibility as tools like Asana, where you can have different access levels for team members. Another thing to keep in mind is Trello's automation tool, Butler. It allows you to automate repetitive tasks, but the free version comes with a limited number of commands. If you want full automation capabilities, you'll need to pay for the premium plan, which is an additional cost to consider when comparing Trello to other tools with more powerful automation, like ClickUp. The ninth thing is Trello's learning curve, which is minimal compared to many competitors. It's quick to set up, and new users can get started right away without much training. However, if your team needs more in-depth project management tools, you may need to invest time in learning other platforms that offer more advanced project tracking and reporting capabilities. The 10th point to mention is Trello's lack of built-in reporting. While you can track tasks, you don't have access to detailed reports or analytics. If you're someone who relies heavily on tracking metrics and measuring team performance, Trello might not meet your needs as effectively as other platforms like Asana or Monday.com. The 11th thing is Trello's popularity. It's trusted by millions of users, and its simplicity is what many people love about it. However, for teams that have outgrown the basic task management needs and require a more sophisticated workflow, it may feel like you're hitting a ceiling, especially compared to more comprehensive solutions like ClickUp. And finally, Trello's community and support are solid. It has a large user base, so you can find answers to most questions easily. But if you're looking for in-depth support or dedicated customer service, you might find that tools like Asana or Monday.com offer more robust customer support options for businesses with complex needs. Overall, Trello is a great tool for simple task management, but if you need more advanced features for larger teams or more intricate workflows, you might want to consider a more feature-rich option. For those looking for a powerful alternative with advanced project management tools, check out our recommended solution.